best joystick for gaming. Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. So, here I'm back with another super exciting video. In this video, I will let you know about the best joysticks for gaming. So, all of the shared joysticks will be great for your gaming. So, you can choose any of them according to your own choice and price range. Now, without wasting a second, let's have a look at the first number and see what we have at the top slot. And yes, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then go for it now, and also press the bell icon for future video notifications. Now, let us see the number 1 slot. I hope you will like this top trending joystick for gaming. Number 1, Thrustmaster Warthog. The Thrustmaster Warthog is hands down the high-quality PC joystick you could buy. It's fantastically made, seems as if it turned into ripped instantly out of a 10, and is derived with an industrial power, meaning the most effective factor left in our post-apocalyptic destiny can be a gaggle of cockroaches looking to parent out the way to use those sticks. Sure, it is a high-priced unit, however, you may recognize your money's been properly spent as quickly as you raise the lid at the packaging and pull the set out. The stick on its own weighs a kilo even earlier than it has been screwed down onto the solid, extensive metallic base. That's something to behold. However, the throttle is something else. It is one of the best portions of PC peripheral engineering I've ever experienced. Its casing is totally manufactured from a metallic structure and festooned with buttons. And now no longer simply buttons either. More hat switches embellish the throttle itself. One which may be cut up and onto you require discreet manage, and there are a number of toggles and metallic flick switches too. I will absolutely take a seat down there idly flipping switches even if the aspect's unplugged. So enjoyable is the action. It feels excellent to use in game too, allowing you all the possibilities for management you could want without having to use a keyboard. With all that weight, it almost sticks to your table as you fling your Cobra MK Roman 3-round and Elite. Dangerous as if it had been a high-tech BSG Viper. If you want, the drill holes are there in case you need them to be permanent. Number 2, Thrustmaster TEC is Sidestick. With the appearance of Microsoft Flight Simulator and Star Wars Squadrons, we noticed a sonic increase in the hobby for well-matched flight sticks. The Thrustmaster TEC, a Sidestick Airbus version, arrived simply in time and was rapidly bought out. But it is again now, and a stable improvement for any wannabe long-haul pilot trying to ditch the controller from Microsoft Flight Simulator. It's appropriate for different games, of course. However, as a bit of formally certified Airbus kit, it feels high quality and acceptable to the flight sim of the moment. With that in mind, it functions as fluid and responsive manager with a snug stick bolted on for long-haul flights. The joystick also can be reconfigured for your liking with a modular design, making the stick specifically pleasant to lefties. There's a heap of buttons inside Attain to maintain shortcuts on hand at an instant, too. Even though we desire there had been a few clean indications which button turned into which, it may be difficult to track down. Button 14 in a bind, in particular, when you have flying abilities that are a touch rusty. The Thrustmaster TEC Flight Hotas X beneath is a great and low-priced alternative. However, if you could splash out in this extra airworthy kit, then the Thrustmaster TEC a Sidestick Airbus version may not allow you to down. Now, let's have a look at the next one and see what we have at this number. Number 3, Logitech X56 Hotas RGB Joystick for Gaming. A new version to the older X55. The Logitech X56 Hotas improves almost all the components of the older Sidestick design, however, it nevertheless has the various identical functions that made its predecessor great. The throttle may be unlocked to offer inputs for left and proper engines individually. The throttle panel additionally hosts a whole collection of metallic switches and knobs that appearance and experience are genuinely awesome. The whole setup for the X56 is deceptively mild. While it does include suction cups that may be connected to the bottom for expanded stability, without them, I discovered the stick and throttle weighs too keen to slide round on my desk. However, for the ones willing to make this indulgence a greater everlasting a part of their setup, the X56 has holes found in its bases that can help you affix it to almost any floor with the best hardware. With customizable stick anxiety and 180 programmable controls, the X56 throttle and joystick combo enjoy high marks. By comparison, along with the Warthog, it's no longer as exceptional. However, it's cheaper. If you are prepared to burn tires and start fires, then the X56 is an excellent selection. Number 4. FR-TEC Raptor Mach 1 Hotas Combo. Coming in as a great combination buy, the Raptor Mach 1 Hotas is a sturdy, no mounting essential setup for buying caught immediately into your flight sim of choice. I see this as a plus because it realizes that you could assign buttons that make experience to you as you undergo the training system. No one for the exhausting method of cleansing up pre-assigned buttons. The Raptor Mach 1 stick has simply sufficient buttons, and hats on hand to the fingers and thumb of the triggers actually have a protection lock characteristic so that you do not become kicked off the squad for unintentional pleasant fire. It comes with plenty of preferred characteristics of Z rotation, and the electromagnetic sensor tech additionally shows that you get correct and sturdy motion from the stick, and movement that feels super in hand, even though the X action isn't always as easy because of the others. There's the introduced bonus that they paintings independently of each other and additionally do not come caught collectively, which may be a pain if you are left exceeded as an example and need to replace them around, or broader, and want them similarly apart. The throttle is ergonomic, clean, and has a smooth tension resistance adjustment dial at the side. It has more than one thumb on hand dial and lots of buttons, bringing the full mixed action buttons for the Hotas to as much as 32. And making it very flexible indeed. The throttle feels appreciably much less top-rate constructed than the stick. However, that does not detract from its accuracy and clean motion. Now, let's have a look at the last one and see what we have at the last number. So, if you like this video, then make sure to hit the like button and also share and comment on this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also check the links of these shared joysticks for gaming for further details. Links are given in the description box.